Today's a good day. Let's get into it. First official shot. Woo!
Glad to see you get an intake over here.
Yeah, it's been a minute. Oh, yes, sir.
You joined the boosted club with the rest of us.
Finally, man. Finally. The 20-year build, right? And we also got a special guest celebrity in the house, Chris. Thanks for coming out.
Yes,
Chris,
sir.
how many of these have you done?
Enough.
Yeah. Probably 20 at least.
At least, if
At
not
least,
more, over
yeah.
years.
So he joined the party today just to, well, you just wanted to see how epic this was going to be too, right?
What are you talking about? I want to drive this thing when it's done.
Now just remember, this isn't a 4,000-pound S550.
Oh, that's what makes it fun.
Yeah, exactly. This thing's going to be terrifying. Man, is that not pretty?
Yes, it is.
All right, we need to shut the hell up and
Back to work.
put some bolts in.
Way to get accomplished.
Can we just have a moment of silence here and just a moment? We're gonna have a moment of silence here for the whew. Oh, let's get back a little bit. Oh yeah, man.
Purdy.
See, I was thinking about doing the red one, but I thought everything just being black because you got all this red. I don't know. What do you think?
That's what I'm saying.
You
Take
get
these up, and I would just put it right underneath
put a little
there.
red in there.
Just to make it stand out.
Man, but I'm telling you, like standing back. Let me stand back a little bit. Like, with this, we're going to do horrible, evil, horrible things. All right, guys, so we got everything bolted down, torqued down, all that good stuff. So blower is in place. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you right now, this ain't gonna work. I do not like this inlet at all. So, and nobody makes that obviously, because this blower, this engine, none of this is supposed to be here, quite obviously. But what I've got in my head is something comes down right here and goes down, so you'll just kind of see the tube, which I'm gonna have to make, and it's got to look nice, maybe painted body color or something. But my fans and radiator are gonna be right here, and then of course power steering pump right there. So I'm gonna have a very, once everything's in here, I'm gonna have a very limited amount of space to do it. But that will be something that I do later. I just don't like that. I don't like that at all. Everything else is just freaking epic. But one other note, I did take and cut off the tab right here on my power steering reservoir, and then do the whole thing in satin black, and then use the Turbinator Auto Design bolts to mount that. And very, very happy with how that came out. You guys know I'm kind of a minimalist, but I'm telling you right now, it's been a long road to get here. Uh-oh, we're about to put a tank in.
Yeah, let me get some lumen, loom this up and seal it up and poke this through the car.
Look, we got everybody in the house. We got HPR. I'm not gonna say automotive today, because you got on me last time. Oh, guys, yeah. So we're about to put the tank in. We're gonna run some lines. Once we drop it back down, I'll show you. We got all the fuel system done up top, and then we were powwowing earlier. We're gonna do some bulkheads. I know you can't see very well, but we're gonna do some bulkheads right underneath where my AC lines go through, which that's gonna look super clean. But I think we need to hire these guys. Just let them just let them do. Yeah, we take a drink, get a drink, relax. All right, yeah, we're getting a little ahead of ourselves, but just doing a little mocking up. Yeah, 3-inch pipes right there, boys. Yes, they're just hanging there. It's all gonna get done right, but yeah, we stuck the X on, just playing around. But hold on, let me get you some light. Got the whole fuel system. There's filter and all that. We use the stock bracket, so it's easy to service. And then Ken and Chris got all the lines run and kick out right here. And then I've got to order the bulkheads right here. We're gonna put 2 bulkheads right here and just run it tight up against the body right where the factory fuel lines ran. It's gonna look amazing. All right, guys, that's about enough action for today. So huge shout out to the crew. We got a lot done today. Pretty freaking awesome. Very, very excited. I know it does look like a jungle in here with all this shit hanging down. But,
have y'all hooked up?
Oh yeah, not long. So guys, keep it tuned. Gonna get real up in here. Very, very excited. 3.5 years later, gonna drive my car again. It's a good feeling. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.